Hey guys, does your BMW give you a yellow brake light with the car on the lift? You might have a brake pad wear sensor go bad, or maybe it's just disconnected. So here's what you want to do. Using this key right here, you go up one time, check control, and then you push on BC key, and then you will see this, and what you simply want to do is press the BC key one more time and hold it. It gives you the error code CCID 328. That means that error code stands for brake pad wear sensor. So we're going to check it out right now. The other day was giving me a red brake light, and I fixed my rear, so I'm suspecting that it is my front one. Therefore, I'm going to raise this car up and remove the tire. So after you remove the tire, you will find this little black box right here. You simply pop it open. It opens from the bottom, and you'll see that your brake pad wear sensor rounds into this box where it makes a connection. So when I looked inside my connector, I found that one of the pins is bent. So we're going to be straightening that up, reconnect, reset the light, and see if it comes back. So after you start your vehicle, and I waited a few seconds, usually the light appeared within like 5 seconds after you start the engine, and it's been about a minute now and the light still hasn't come back. So when I pull the emergency brake, the red light comes on, but there's no yellow light anymore. So this concludes that 328 error code is for the front brake wear sensor.